If you want to duplicate something, the best way to do it is to model it in such a way. People love to follow models, but not necessarily individuals. So people may have an emotional charge towards Jodie, but they don't have a charge towards the model that Jodie created, and they're happy to follow it. And remember, our ability to serve or replicate or duplicate our skill set that we have is directly proportional to the number that we can indirectly serve. So it's not me directly teaching someone that's going to make the difference. It's how many layers of indirect service I can create through my direct service that actually is going to show me what my financial net worth is related to as a business or individual, but also the number that I can serve. So I highly recommend modeling for duplication. We model all the things that we do, and we teach others how they can model their work so that they can create duplication. If you think of the 4-quadrant model by Robert Kiyosaki in the cash flow quadrant that he did, it was the quadrant that was really out in the market. The cash flow game, he made it game orientated, it was fun as well. And so if you model, combine it with some fun, then you'll find that your skills will duplicate down the line. And that way, all you need to do is just check in, did they get what I was really looking for them to learn? And a lot of people say, well, how do you do that when it's highly technical? Well, when you model it, you're breaking it up into parts that can be followed. And that way, the technical information, by the inch it's a cinch, by the yard it's hard, can be duplicated.